This beautiful beach deserves better than this mess. Time to get to work.
First piece down, probably 1,000 more to go, but every bottle counts. Woo! This net is really stuck tight. Ooh. Gotta be gentle so I don't damage the rocks. Look at this full bag already. The beach is starting to look so much better.
Wait a minute, this isn't trash at all. Someone's message has been floating out there for who knows how long.
6 full bags and counting. This beach transformation is actually happening. Would you look at that? This beach is absolutely perfect now. Pure paradise restored.
What an amazing day cleaning up this beautiful beach. Remember everyone, we all share this planet together.